that your house could see. So
well, there is trepidation in school today because later on we're going to have an assembly, a school assembly, presenting everything we've done for these past 2 weeks. These weeks have been Earth weeks, and during them the children have been talking about one of the 5 essential elements: fire, water, air, iron or wood. They have been designing and making projects and lines of inquiry revolving around this school event. We're going to present our projects before the entire school. We're nervous, teachers and children alike, but it's going to turn out great.
We have encouraged recycling behaviors by offering models and creating opportunities for responsible care of the schoolyard and resources.
Indeed, these weeks have been about responsibility and care, that being one of our school's essential rules. Care about yourself, care about others, care about our environment.
The Orange Group has been planting and talking about changes through growth.
We have been observing and experimenting with our senses.
We choose to have one of the most powerful elements of nature, which is Earth. The Blue Group has used the story, The Enormous Turnip, to introduce notions related to soil, needs and parts of a plant.
Grow, yes, from the tiny.
Here we have made our own flower garden.
The Violet Group has chosen water as essential element and focus on science experiments to observe changes of matter.
We have been talking about the water cycle, and we even introduced concepts like precipitation, evaporation and condensation.
The Green Group has been observing what goes into the making of the spirit of life.
We have done that by observing closely the projects of other classes and sorting materials according to features and texture: paper, glass, plastic, wood and metal.
You need to clean up the forest. Clean up the forest because the animals don't like. They smell yucky. Yeah. Clean the forest.
The Yellow Group looked at the Great Fire of London. Our project investigated good and bad uses of fire.
Hello, I'm Sophia. Today we are going to talk of the Great Fire, the best fire and the good fire.
We have talked about homes now and in the past, about good uses of the fire such as baking bread, and about bad uses of the fire like in the Great Fire of London.
The Y Group observed the relentless power of air to make energy and role model behaviors for the smaller groups in the school.
Finally, we have been talking about fuel and noise pollution and brought our bikes to school to encourage healthy and safe attitudes related to the environment.